Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a divider between sections using the Elementor Page Builder. First, we need to go to the sidebar to the left and go to Pages, all the pages. And then we are going to select the page we want to edit, in this case the home page, and then we click on Edit with Elementor. Here we are on the Elementor dashboard. For this occasion we are going to scroll down to the bottom of the site, and we can see we have two sections we have previously created, and we need to add a little bit of separation between them. So we are going to the widget bar and we are going to type divider, and we are going to drag it and we are going to drop it between these two sections like this. And as you can see, we have the configuration for the divider itself. We can choose the style. In this case it works much like a border. We can also make it more thicker by adding some weight to it, and we can make it a little bit shorter or wider in this case, and we can choose the color it will have. In this case we need it to be completely transparent, so it will add only a separation. We can also choose the alignment if we want to use it as a border, and we are going to add a little bit of gap. The maximum gap is 50 pixels in this case, but we can add some more if we add some padding like that, and some margin if we want to make the gap bigger. In this case we are going to go with 50 pixels only. So we have created a separation between our two sections using the divider, but we can use a different method if we want. If we add a section in this case and we stretch that section to the fullest of the screen, we can also do it without stretching, and we add a color background to it, like a black, maybe to tone it down a little bit, and then we drag this section and we add it between the elements we want to add a gap between, and then we click on edit section, we go to the advanced and we add a little bit of padding to it, and like that we have a divider between the sections using a new section and adding a color background to it. We can also stretch it. We are going to stretch it for this example. So we have our divider and the stretched section with a color background. To that, once we have our section dividers, we are going to save those changes by going to the update button on the lower left and click on it. So that's it. We have added a divider to our section easily using a divider widget and a section with a color background using the Elementor Page Builder in a super easy and super simple manner, like that, easily. So If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.